that who will win the election and who will rule that country. It is all about who will take that country to more and more growth, who will do more and more development about that country.
Effect on India, America, India, China and Japan.
Mr. Donald Trump is the best choice of America because there is the point of Sensex, Nifty, the share market, the business, entrepreneurship and a lot more.
This is my first class and I...
Leadership characteristics.
Very good.
And if I talk about her, after that in 2021, she has become the Vice President of the USA.
became the President of America. He introduced some policies to boost their economy, but unfortunately there were very slow growth and there were no many opportunities and the growth was very sluggish.
USA is a country of land of opportunities, as USA records its lowest employment rates.
Throughout her law career, Kamala Harris has been a strong advocate for the justice, equality and women's rights.
Try to keep ourselves in this way, in a belief system that the people should assume us that we are such kind of a speaker or communicator, that when there is the matter of communication, the talks of communication, there should be single name Muazzam, there should be single name Mahfouz Chaudhary Sahab, there should be Muzammil, there should be Muskan, there should be Radha, there should be, Krishna, Ashish, and there should be Zad. This kind of mindset in each and every one, right? This is the thing we are gonna do today. Let's understand today's scenario. First of all, today we have a very special and a very interesting topic. It is not that much interesting because this is not easy. This is one of the international topic. An international topic is always hard to discuss because when you talk about international, you have to go out of your country, not even out of your house. Right? When you talk about a block level or tehsil level, sub-district, district, DM, SDM, sub-district, magistrate, and when you talk about all these people, you have to come out of your home only. But when you talk about international topic, you have to come out of your nation and country. अरे वो बंदा उधर खड़ा था, वो बंदी उधर थी. But when we talk about in Mumbai, अबे क्या कर रहा है? किधर जाने का? अरे चलना है, खाली पीली मत कर, निकलना रे इधर से. The scenario is completely changed. Try to understand. You are in Delhi, you have a different way of communication. You are in Mumbai, you have different way of communication. You go to Bihar, you have different way of communication. कहाँ जात बाड़े? कहाँ करत हुआ? ठीक बा कि ना ठीक बा? You just talk in this way. So same way today we are going to switch from India to America. We are going to switch from India to America. So first of all, we need to go, when we talk about America, we need to go in 1789. 1789, when America got its first president, George Washington. That time he became the first president. One of the freedom fighter, one of the establisher, one of the maker, creator, generator of USA, United States of America. Since then, the election has been conducting and is being conducted in America to just elect and select its president. Elected president in USA, that is Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of USA, fought multiple times, failed multiple times, but lastly he won the election and he became one of the greatest president. And now again we have the election, right? And we have Kamala Harris and we have Donald Trump. These are the people of Kamala Harris and these are the people of Donald Trump. When we talk about Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, there is no similarity. There is only one similarity. There is an election and they both are the candidates. Republican Party and Democratic. So you are in favor of Democratic Party, you are in favor of Republican Party, right? Some interesting facts I am not going to share, you are going to share. But first of all, sabse pehle, I would like to ask from the leaders, they have to present and they have to favor their opinions by not sitting, just by standing. I will call one by one leader who will come and share his or her views and points just by standing and addressing to these large number of the people. Equality will be bari. So, first of all, I would like to welcome from the Democratic Party, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Muzammil.
Debaters, a very good afternoon to all. My name is Muzammil and I am a student of team on this debate. On behalf of my team, I would like to extend our gratitude to respected Abdullah sir for organizing this intellectual and enriching debate. Such platforms are very crucial for critical fostering thinking and effective communication and a healthy exchange of thoughts and ideas. We appreciate your presence and your effort you have put into preparation this debate. We look forward for engaging on that important topic. I would also like to welcome to sit here of my fellow debaters of my teams, as you brings with unique perspective and insight that contribute the enrichness of this debate. Today, we are going to debate on that is Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump. Today, we are not just discussing two names, we are discussing vision, leadership style and the future of most powerful nation in the earth. We are not choosing who will sit in the office of Oval. We are not choosing who will sit in who will stay in the White House. We are going to choose who will sit on who will take the steer of the global ship in this challenging time.
Described his views and points and why is he favoring Kamala Harris. He has not disclosed it, but I think he will disclose it in the debate. So where he just highlighted and stated the points of America and both clients and both members of the election. Let me welcome Simran from the Republican Party and favoring Donald Trump. Please welcome.
Who are present here right now, and all of us are very excited to be the part of that kind of activities, because this is a very important activities in our life to enhance our speaking, to enhance our personality. Today we are going to discuss about a very huge topic. It's not about our nation, it's all about the global world. The nation which is most developed and more powerful, USA, United States. Right now we are discussing about that topic, that Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. It is not about that who will win the election and who will rule that country. It is all about who will take that country to more and more growth, who will do more and more development about that country. It is a very, very huge topic to discuss about. By that topic, we are able to get different kind of knowledge and we are able to know different kind of facts about those two different people about whom we are debating right now. Thank you.
That what is the exact scenario of today and what is she gonna do today? She's gonna favor Donald Trump, one of the one of the chacha. All right. So this is very crucial moment for all of us that we all are gonna discuss, and both the leaders of both teams, they have described and stated their opinions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with your full glance and glimpses, with your concentration and focus, dedication, devotion, complete determination, and the right focus in the right direction, we are going to start for the final destination of this particular debate. And this debate is going to be one of the highlighting debate, because absolutely this is one of the hot potato and sensation of the world and of especially USA, United States of America. So let me take each and everyone opinion today first of all, and then we will go for the debate, right? I would like to just move to Mr. Shivans. Please state your opinions.
And respected Abdullah sir, we are going to talk about Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump. And I'm a favoring of Kamala Harris. As you know very well, and Democratic Party is one of the oldest party of all over the world. And it was founded in 1828. And when we talk about Kamala Harris, she belonged to a very common family. And when we talk about her work, her nature, her character, it was very awesome. It was very fantabulous. And when we talk about why, I want to raise a very common question, because this question is going on right now, the Americans people, why the peoples of America, why the Americans people should vote for her. This is a very most important question in this debate, because she belonged to common family. She always fights against corruption. She always against corruption. She always fight for human rights. She always fights against those type of people who are dominating right now in America. And when you know very well about the discrimination is also going on in the America, like the white peoples and the African American. And she is the first lady who is elected as a vice president.
Right.
And she is the first lady. She is the first Asian human lady who was elected in this position. And she always talks about the human empowerment, and she always talk about right for LGBT community, because this point is going to right now in this world about LGBT community, and it is very essential topic. So that's why I have chosen Kamala Harris, and in debates I wanna share lots of view about Kamala Harris. Thank you.
Well said, well said, well said. Mr. Shivans about Kamala Harris, as he said that she is the first African, Asian, American lady to be the vice president, and she is now the nominee of presidential election. Let's see how you're going to share your points. Now I'd like to move to Mr.
Today I am going to start a debate between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. So my point view is that I am supporting Donald Trump, because Donald Trump is a former president right now, and he is elected for election which is going on in November 2024. I think that he is a right person for president in USA, because USA is a globally country in all the world. He is a strong country. That
It is a strong country.
It is a strong country. If anything opposite there, its effect to all over the globe. That if a share market fall there, decrease there, Sensex down, then effect on India, America, India, China and Japan, like that country. So I think he is doing very well for this nation, and so I think it is the best choice for.
The best choice points that Mr. Donald Trump is the best choice of America, because there is the point of Sensex, Nifty, the share market, the business, entrepreneurship, and a lot more. Now,
Today my topic is Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. So I favor to Kamala Harris because Kamala Harris is first woman lady vice president, and Kamala Harris all-time support for women. For example, Kamala Harris healthcare and women equal pay something work.
working on
She
equality.
working on the equality.
Equality.
Equality. So I support Kamala Harris.
Supporting Kamala Harris, and that's not bad. Yeah, she's supporting even women as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranveer and thanks to Abdullah sir. This is my first class and I chose Donald Trump for the debate, and I like Donald Trump because he has potential to take the action and in favor of the US, and he can do, I think he can do anything for the country.
Right.
That's why I chose the Donald Trump for this debate.
So you believe that he can do anything for the country?
Yes,
He can blast the country.
Yes. It's like, I think if he feel like America is in the like
Bad position?
or like he is not good, so he can take any action
Yes.
for the Americans.
For
So
Americans.
that's why I thinking he is a good leader and he has much experience in the business, and he was the president of America. So I think he has lots of experience. That's why he can better than others.
He can do better than others, right?
Yes.
He has a lot of experience. Okay, that's fantastic. Please give a round of applause.
Today I'm going to favoring of Kamala Harris because Kamala Harris has a great leadership characteristics.
Very good.
And if I talk about her political journey,
Yes.
she has started her political journey in 2004
Yes.
as a attorney
General of California.
district attorney of San Francisco.
अच्छा, San Francisco.
San Francisco. And she have done so many things like she has done criminal justice. She has criminal justice and woman empowerment.
Yes.
and if in 2011 she is elected for Attorney General of California.
Yes.
And she, after become the district general, she has focused on environmental change and climate change and weapon load, etc. She has decreased these type of criminal activities, and after that she has won the election in 2017 US senator from California.
Yes.
And again she has focused on the criminal activities and criminal justice and many more things. And after that in 2021 she has become the vice president of the USA, and she have done so many things in last 20 years of her career.
Right.
So I think she has the great leadership skills and handles any kind of situation, bad kind of situation, and she can done anything.
She can do.
She can do anything. I think she has the better.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic points shared by Shamik Chaudhary, ladies and gentlemen. And that's fantastic, I could say that. She exactly...
My name is Radha Singh. Today I am favoring of Donald Trump. So I would like to say, a powerful country needs powerful leader and powerful mind as well. So that is why our Donald Trump is good for USA, America. So hi, ladies and gentlemen. As far as I know, he is a great personality. He is a great personality and he is having mindset as well. He is the 45th president of. He is 45th president of USA. When he become president of USA, at that time, the economy of USA started. USA started rising, and he promised now America will grow for another level of growth. And Donald Trump cut the corporate taxes 40% from 35 to 21%. It was very nice step which is taken by Donald Trump. Thank you.
That's great.
Today debate on the Donald Trump versus Kamala Harris. I am favoring Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is the first woman to hold the office of vice president in USA. She is the first African American and first South Asian American vice president. Kamala Harris in the beginning made her.
So Donald Trump make a relationship to run his country, and he was elected as a president, but Kamala Harris is elected as a vice president. And somewhere I agree, Donald Trump policies have been criticized for economy in climate, but it is increase the GDP of their country. And Donald Trump handled the COVID-19 pandemic very smoothly. Donald Trump had no prior government experience, but he performed well as well. President, he always try to make foreign relations, and he strong his army as well as
strengthened. He strengthened his army.
He strengthened his army as well as to protect his country. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Awesome.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am going to talk about Kamala Harris, and I am favoring of Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is the 49th Vice President of United States of America, and she is the first female, first black, and first South Asian Vice President in US history. Black American is also discriminate black and white discrimination. So Kamala Harris belong to black. She become president, and also black and white discrimination will reduce.
So when she becomes the president,
Yes.
the discrimination between white and black people will be vanished. You want to say that?
Yes.
Right. Okay, fine.
So
Thank
it's
you.
honor to sit before you today to discuss on the crucial topic of who should be the president of America. And according to me, the Donald Trump should be the should be the president of America, because if we go back in 2008, so there were the biggest financial crisis happened in the America. So during the presidency of George Walker Bush, so where the bank gave the very risky loan to the people, and it had a share market and the businessman as well. The impact of that financial crisis not happened impacted on the America only. It also impacted on the world level, on the global level. So, and after when the Barack Obama became the president of America, he introduced some policies to boost their economy, but unfortunately there were very slow growth, and there were no many opportunities, and the growth was very sluggish. But when the Donald Trump became the president of America, he introduced many policies, like cut in the taxes and deregulation, which boosted in the economy of the America, and it also created many opportunities of employment, where the unemployment dropped from 3.5%. And the second is, it also he also built the wall which is around 450 miles longer to protect the illegal immigrations, and it resulted the illegal immigration fell down by the 53% in 2019 or 20 maybe. And the third is he also introduced some criminal justice, like he gave the second chance to the criminal who did unfortunately who killed and who did some bad activities. So he gave the second chance to them. So these all are my points. Why? Good points.
My name is Mahfouz Ansari, and today I am talking about Kamala Harris. So Kamala Harris is the 49th Vice President of the United States. She is the first woman and the first Asian and the first black lady to hold this position. Kamala Harris has also read her the voice on green climate and collect for climate pollution fee, and which polluter will have to pay for emitting greenhouse gas into our atmosphere. She also indicated that her administration would strengthen in enforcement and prosecute against fossil fuel companies. That's why I'm choosing Kamala Harris.
That's why you have chosen Kamala Harris.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen present here. First of all, I want to good afternoon to sir to give me this wonderful opportunity to talk on the topic that is very devastating and very hot topic, Donald Trump versus the Kamala Harris, and I am in the favor of Donald Trump. So Donald Trump is the 45th president of the United States and has a complex and multifaceted history spanning business, entertainment and politics. Trump has become a household name and worked in a reality show that is The Apprentice, where he has worked on. I am in the favor of Donald Trump. The another reason is that the working culture of the democracy under which he had worked, there is a lot of improvement which has been done by him, which I would discuss in my further debate.
All right. That's my choice. Jai Prakash.
Tell my opinion on favor of Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris believes in healthcare is fundamental right of every human being. Her policies are based on principle that everyone should have access to affordable and quality healthcare. And in contrast, Donald Trump attempted to weaken the Affordable Care Act, which lead to increase inequality in healthcare areas. And other side, Kamala Harris supports and strengthening Affordable Care Act, which has provide coverage of millions of Americans. Along with Kamala Harris has been a strong advocate for maternal and child health care, address the high maternal mortality rate, especially among black women and other minorities. Her policies focused on providing better care for pregnant ladies and reducing healthcare disparities. That's why I'm supporting Kamala Harris.
Abdullah sir and my fellow debaters. Today we are not going to talk about some small topic. It is a very big topic. We are talking about the president of the most developed country on this planet Earth. Today I am supporting Donald Trump as a president of United States. USA is called land of opportunity. When Donald Trump ruled it, he made it one. As Donald Trump ruled USA for 5 years, he has proven that USA is a country of land of opportunities. As USA records its lowest employment rates, highest returns in stock markets in history, and GDP growth that exceeds expectations. So these are my points why I support Donald Trump. Thank you.
Our Honorable Abdullah sir and all the participants sitting in this conference room, I'm going to represent the biography of Kamala Harris. So, she is a remarkable woman who has an inspiring journey in her life. She was born in October 1964, and she was born in Oakland, California. Her mother was the cancer researcher from India, and her father was the economics professor from Jamaica. She was raised proud of her Indian and Jamaican heritage. Let's talk about her marvelous achievements. Kamala Harris graduated in 1986 with the degree in political science and economics for Howard University, and she's completed her law degree from the University of California. After that, she has started her law career. She worked as a district attorney in San Francisco, and then in 2011 and 16, she served as a attorney general in California. Last as in 2017, she worked as a senator of United States. In 2021, she made a history by becoming the first female black and first Indian American vice president of United States. Now, we will talk about some works that she did or doing in her life. Throughout her law career, Kamala Harris has been a strong advocate for the justice, equality, and women's rights. She worked tirelessly to make the positive impact on the lives of other countries and inspiring many peoples. Currently, in her vice presidency, she is focusing on the core issues of United States, which is related to social justice reform, COVID-19 response, and economic recovery. She is additionally advocating for the policies related to healthcare access, gun control, and women's rights. Thank you.
Including tax cuts and deregulation, and contribute to a period of economic growth and low unemployment. He created 6 million jobs under presidency, and he also withdrew the USA from several international agreement. He including the Iran nuclear deal, Paris climate agreement, and Trans-Pacific partnership.